Here is a clear, complete explanation of 8 by 1 multiplexer circuit in my image of this presentation. I'm explaining 8 by 1 multiplexer and what a multiplexer is. A multiplexer is a digital switch that selects one of many input signals and forward the selected input to a single output line. It uses select lines to choose which input to send to the output. The purpose of 8 by 1 multiplexer. The 8 by 1 multiplexer has 8 input lines. That is the D0 and to the D7, and also have three selected lines. That is the S0, S1, then S2, and then one output line. That's Y output. This is the Y output. Based on the combination of the select lines, only one data input is passed to the output at any given time. The key component in the circuit is the input, the D0 to the D7. These are the data input. Only one of them will be selected and passed to the output. The select lines, the S0, S1, S2, is these are determine which of the 8 input is selected. And then we have the OR gate, and then we have the AND gate, and then we have the NOT gate. So the NOT gate is the input, the inverter that selects a single a, sing, a signal where necessary to cover all combination from 00 to 11. And the AND gate is each gate correspond to one input, D0 to D7. It activates only when the correct combination of select lines is present. The OR gate combines the output from all AND gates, so only the selected input goes to the output. So this is how it works. The select line, the S0 line forms a 3-bit the binary number that determines which input D0 to D7 is selected. So for example, if S2 and S1 and S0 is selected, input D0 is also selected. So if S2 is selected and S1 is selected and S0 is selected, the input D5 is also selected. So in each AND gate is enabled by a unique combination of select lines and their inverted versions. The enable AND gate allows its corresponding data input D to pass through. The output of all AND gate is fed into one OR gate. Only an AND gate can be activated at a time, so only one input reach the output, like this. So in real life, we use the TV remote input as a selector. You have a multiple input source, the HDMI 1 and the HDMI 2, with the USB and etc. You press button S0, S1, S2 to choose one. The TV output displays only the selected source. In summary, the D the input D0 to D7 carries the possible data value. The select line choose which data input is selected. The NOR gate provide the logic combination. The AND gate match correct input and selection. The OR gate combines selected input to one input. Then finally, the output Y, where N is the decimal equivalent of the combination value of the S2, S1 and S0. Thank you, Charlie.